Hi guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, mag-unboxing tayo nitong package na na-receive ko from Human Nature. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. Anyway, bago tayo magsimula, I wanna make sure na huwag niyong kalimutang maghugas ng kamay. Lagi kayong maghugas ng kamay. Stay at home, stay healthy, and stay active para hindi kayo magkaroon ng COVID-19. So, if you haven't heard of Human Nature, this is a local brand and they're offering cruelty-free na mga products. So, they have skincare, meron silang mga kung ano-ano. May mga makeup, merong mga dishwashing liquid. Basta, most of their products are locally made and they are ano ba siya? Ano bang classification ng mga products na to? May skincare, basta iba-iba. So, since nga mahilig ako sa mga products ng Human Nature, they're one of my favorite local brands. So, nag-order ako and this time, I tried to sign up to become a dealer. Not because I want to sell them, but because I want to take advantage of the 25% discount. So, since bumibili rin naman ako, so, tinry ko na maging dealer ng Human Nature. So, ito yung order ko. In-order ko siya a week ago and since LBC yung courier nila, dumating siya even with the enhanced community quarantine. So, without further ado, simulan na natin ang pag-unboxing. So, medyo mabigat siya. Ang dealership nila is 1,995 pesos. Tapos, pipili ka lang ng mga items mo doon sa website nila, and then magiging dealer ka na, so you can sell Human Nature items. Pero hindi naman yun yung main reason kung bakit gusto ko na discount. Naman tayo may lead sa mga discount. So unbox na natin to. Actually alam ko naman kung anong mga laman nito. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo. These are my favorite products from Human Nature. And if you haven't tried Human Nature products, then try them kasi maganda ang Human Nature products. Ito na siya. Ito yung listahan ng mga napamili ko. And ito yung laman. So, since nga sila ay eco-friendly company, so they try to reuse their brochures. So, yun yung ginagamit nilang mga padding dun sa mga items nila. So, daming mga padding. So, ang daming laman. So, ayan siya lahat. Ayan. So, ang in-order ko is yung mga items na usual na ginagamit ko lang. So, let's start off with this one. So, this is the Human Nature na natural feminine wash. So, this is chamomile cool. So, ano to? No harmful chemicals, sulfate free, paraben free, and PEG free. So, if you're looking for products na cruelty free and vegan, try nyo tong Human Nature. So, itong binili ko na to, it's a small one. So, 165 ml. So, bumili ako ng tatlo. Then, I bought a smaller one. So, for traveling. So, same variant. Pero 50 ml lang siya. So, pwede mo siyang dalhin dun sa iyong carry-on bag. Kasi 50 ml lang siya. So, I got 2 of it. And another one. So, ito yung pangbahay. Actually, wala naman pala masyadong laman to. So, I got a bigger one. So, same din. This is 400 ml. So, tatlo yung binili ko. Yan. So, magsawa ka sa feminine wash. Kasi, hindi ko alam dati na meron palang nagtitinda ng Human Nature dito. And sayang din yung shipping fee kapag hindi ka bibili ng marami. Kasi 50 din yung shipping fee. So, next item is this one. So, this is the sunflower beauty oil. So, bumili ako ng 50 ml, dalawa. Actually, hindi ako gumagamit nito. Yung kapatid ko yung gumagamit nito. Kasi, maganda siya for scars. So, nakakatanggal siya ng mga peklat. So, bumili ako niyan. And, a bigger one. So, 100 ml. Then, I think this is the last. So, last one is soap. So, I think nakakita nyo na to dun sa aking product empties nung February. So, this is the exfoliating bar. So, dalawang vanilla and dalawang strawberry. So, yan. So, apat yan. And materials, dealership materials. Meron silang binigay na mga brochure. Yan. I think that's part of the package. May kasama siyang leaflet. So, on ways how to earn to become a dealer. So, yan. So, dalawa siyang option. May $7.99 and may $1.99. So, kinuha ko yata is yung $1.99. So, mga leaflet na ganyan. Mga ganyan. So, yung regular na pag nagbebenta ka ng mga may brochure like Avon and stuff. And, may tarpaulin. So, if you want to sell these items, so, ayan, may patarpaulin silang ganyan. Yan. Para malaman ng mga kapitbahay mo na nagbibenta ka. Pero ako, since hindi naman ako magbebenta dito sa kapitbahay ko, dyan lang yan. So, meron pang isang item na kasama yata ng dealership. I didn't pay for this. This is the Human Nature na face mist. So, this is aloe vera. 50 ml. So, mukhang promising siya. So, itry din natin siya. So, yun lang yung aking Human Nature na haul. So, these items, ang worth niya is, I think, 2,400. Mga ganun. Pero, binayaran ko is nasa 1,000 plus lang. Then, you add shipping, 2,085. So, yun lang. Maganda yung Human Nature products. They're cruelty-free, they're vegan, and they're made in the Philippines. So, supportahan natin ang ating local businesses by buying local. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. If you like videos like this, please hit the like button. Comment down below if you've tried Human Nature products as well. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!